Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hey everyone, welcome to Madhura's Recipe. Today we are making crispy and flaky Matar Paratha. So lots of fresh peas are in the season, so why not make something out of it. So for that, first we are going to make dough part first, and we have 2 cups of whole wheat atta, that is gehu ka atta. In that goes in salt for taste. Mix that in and add water and make this into a dough just like our regular chapatti dough. Not too stiff, not too soft. And keep on adding little amount of water at a time so that you will have control how much water goes in this flour. So just little at a time. Keep mixing. Alright, so over here this dough is almost ready. Now you can see the consistency. This is not way too soft or too stiff. This is exactly what we are looking for. Now take a bowl, put a dough, add in just few drops of oil to coat the dough so that it doesn't form a crust over the top. Cover and let it sit or rest for about half an hour. So while our dough is getting ready, we will make our stuffing part. So in a pan I have preheated a tablespoon of oil. In goes some cumin seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, curry leaves 7 to 8, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 green chillies, and then add in 2 cups of fresh peas. Mix this up. Add some water. And cook this covered until this piece turns out little bit of softer and tender. And over here I have cooked these green peas over medium heat for about 10 minutes now. Let's check this out. Yes, almost they are cooked. Now let's turn off the heat. Add some salt for taste. Half teaspoon of Garam masala. Half teaspoon of coriander powder and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix that in and let this cool down a little bit. So after these green peas are fully cooled down, I have transferred them into a blender jar. In that I am adding coriander leaves and will blend this to make this into a coarse paste and not fine one. So over here this stuffing is ready. Also this dough has been rested for more than half an hour now. So take this dough, knead this one more time, and now divide this dough into equal size portions. Make about 5 medium size parathas using this portion, 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of green peas. Once you even out this dough ball, just roll this out into about an 6-inch disc like this. Take this stuffing, bring all the edges together. Remove this extra flour. Add some dry flour and just roll this out into paratha. Super. And now it's ready to go over skillet. So pan looks nice and hot over here. So put this paratha and let this cook from this underneath for just about a minute or until you see tiny bubbles start to appear on the surface of this paratha. After about a minute, when you see this paratha has started to puff up a little bit, we are going to go ahead and give this a flip and let this cook for 2 more minutes. Apply some ghee, butter or oil, whatever you like, and again flip this over. Superb. Some more ghee. Lovely. Look at that, how nicely it is puffing up. Lovely. Now just remove this onto a serving plate. Superb. So over here this Matar Paratha or fresh green peas paratha is ready. Look at that, it looks so good. This filling has been spread all over this paratha, nice and evenly. So good. It makes a perfect paratha to carry in the lunch box, tiffin box, and it also makes great breakfast. You can have this with some curd or with some raita, peanut chutney, garlic chutney, any sauce of your choice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.